if you don't have Sales Navigator, but you want to be more strategic and targeted with your prospecting, a great way to do that is by leveraging a Boolean search. Now, a Boolean search is a method of searching that uses a combination of keyword operators to organize your search results. Words like and, or, and not. They're essentially used to produce more accurate or relevant search results. Now, you might be familiar with this type of searching on Google, but if you're not, lucky for you, we're going to learn how to use it on LinkedIn, and you can use the same principles on Google. I'll link the PDF in the description. As I've said, Boolean searches of LinkedIn combine keywords with operators like and, or, and not. We can also use quotation marks in searches for exact phrases. In this example, in quotation marks, product manager. We can use the not to exclude terms. For example, product manager, not manager. It's important to recognize that all the operators need to be in capitals. We can use the or operator to broaden results. Example, sales or marketing or advertising. We can use the and operator to include all terms. For example, accountant and CFO. The last one is parentheses, brackets. They combine operators for more complex queries. There is also an order of precedence. So as you can see here, the order of precedence is quotes, parentheses, not, and or. So let's jump into LinkedIn to put this into practice. So let's say we want to find account managers at JB Hi-Fi. What I will do is I will type in, using parentheses, account manager or business development manager, close parentheses, and JB Hi-Fi. Now, you do want to find out exactly how they spell the business name on LinkedIn. So let's search for that. And what you'll notice is that we have, let's see the results for these people. Let's dig a little bit deeper. We have 1,300 results. So if we want to get a little bit more granular here, let's go not, add to this search term, not marketing. Let's see if that narrows it down. All right, 1,000 search results. So if we want to get even further down, let's say that we only want to find people that are either our first or second degree connections because they are more likely to connect with us. 612 results. That's good news. We want to make sure that their current company is, let's say, JB Hi-Fi for business because we're B2B sellers. 83 results, that we're getting even more granular. And let's say that we actually want to target the account managers and business development managers in Victoria. Let's go Melbourne, Victoria, Greater Melbourne area, search. So now we're down to 38 results. And we have a list of potential prospects that we can gather insights about and start connecting with. So I hope that's been helpful. Happy prospecting, and I look forward to connecting with you on LinkedIn. Thanks, guys.